for today's video, I'm going to do my nails. So I'm going to be applying my press-on nails. These are one of my favorite girly things as of the moment. And I'm going to show you my proven and tested tips and tricks in applying them so that they would last longer in your real nails. So I actually did search a bunch of hacks online, especially on TikTok, and this is not going to be my first time doing this. So I've done this before with this set of nails. By the way, these are handmade press-on nails from LuxeLashNails by Rovi. Not sponsored, but I'm a big fan of her work. These are literally work of art. They are so pretty. So I've used this before, and as you can see, her work is very durable. So they can last up to 8 months. At least that's what she told me. So I believe her. And this is a fresh set of nails. It's giving beanie vibes. And I love it. I just love it so much. It's so girly. And also, by the way, the sets came with these tools. Although these are pricier than what you can typically buy online sa Shopee, sa TikTok, but I think they are very worth it. So each set is 500 pesos. So normally the price range that I see online are 200 pesos, 300 pesos, but I feel like these are very worth it because look at the details. See, this is not sponsored, but I like to appreciate pretty things. These are the only things that I'm going to be using for today's video. No special tool required. I don't even have a portable drill yet, but I did order one because I need to clean this used set. I need to remove this dried up nail glue on this used set. If you have these tools, you're good to go. No need to buy any other things other than have this. Okay, so I'll just show you one by one what this set of tools include. First, you have this nail tool. It's very sharp, so be careful. But this one's for shaping your cuticles or pushing them back on your nail bed. And then there's also nail glue, of course, a little nail file. This will do, by the way. If you don't have a metal nail file, you shouldn't worry. And then alcohol to dehydrate and sanitize your nails. And then, of course, the nail gel tapes. So I read online that this is the most recommended brand. So meron siyang nakalagay na 3 mold sa likod. These are one of the best sellers that you can find online when it comes to nail gel tape. So those are the things that you only need, and you'll have a long-lasting set of press-on nails on your hands. I have actually never done my nails before in a salon because I'm scared of the sharp tools that they use. And I like doing my own pampering because it's more practical, it's way cheaper, and these nails, they can go back and I can reuse them. So that's nice. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get this tool and then push my cuticles further back into my nail bed. So not sure if you're seeing that, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. So push. What I would do is to actually try on the press-on for it and then follow the shape of the press-on nail. So my actual nail has more of like a square shape, and then this one, it's curved. So that's what I would use this tool for. This step is very important. At first, I was scared to do it because it might hurt me, but it doesn't hurt at all. So I'm just going to do it for the rest of my nails. So I'm done fixing my cuticles and pushing them back. So the next thing that I do is to cut my nails as short as possible. This is to not give off any vibe that my nails are just pressed on. So this is to achieve the natural nail look. You don't want anyone knowing that your nails are fake. This is how my nails are looking now. Way cleaner. The next thing I'll be doing is to file them. So you want your nails to actually be rough as possible, but of course be very careful when doing this. You don't want your nail to become too thin. So just the right amount of texture. This is just to give your nails the right amount of texture so that the nail gel and nail glue will adhere to your real nails, and that's one of the things that's going to make your press-on last. I used to hate this feeling, but like, tiis ganda tayo, girl. So, don't overdo it, but make sure that you run the nail file in every area of your nail. Tada. Girl, what's the tea? Just kidding. I think it would be fun to do this with a friend. Except I don't have friends. I'm just kidding. I do have friends, they're awesome. But they are very camera shy. Most of my friends in my hometown are very private person. But they do support me in my vlogging journey. Okay, so I'm back. As you can see, my nails are looking rough. So I didn't overdo the filing, but I did give them the right amount of roughness so that the nails will stick to them for a very long time. So the next thing to do is to take this alcohol pad and dehydrate and clean the nails. I do it very fast because the alcohol evaporates really fast. So you want to do it really fast but really well. So I go over my nails a few times because sometimes there are bits and debris from the nails because of the filing that I just did. So you want to make sure it's clean and every surface of your nail will be dried up from the alcohol. This step is my favorite because it's easy. It's easier and quicker to do. There you go. The next thing to do is to take this nail gel tapes and then find the right sizes for you. So there's a bunch of sizes here. You have to make sure it's the right size. You know, as long as the nail gel is not bigger than your actual nail, then that should be alright. If it's smaller, then that's fine. But let's not put on something that's bigger than the actual nail. I'm gonna take this and then do it correctly. So just below my cuticle. Then press on it for a couple of seconds. Do not yet peel the top part. As you can see, I did pick something that's a bit smaller than my actual nail, but that's alright. And while I'm doing the rest of my nails, I will let the top part of the nail gel stay. So it's very important to press on it for a couple of seconds or minutes, even if you have all the time in the world. So I've applied the nail gel tape to all of my nails in this hand. I'm gonna do this hand first. And now I'm gonna peel the top part. Okay, so as you can see, there's extra here. I'm just gonna trim that with the nail cutter. So before I move on to removing this, I'm gonna finish this nail first. You don't want the sticky part of the nail gel tapes to be exposed. So you have to apply the press-on nail immediately. But before that, since the nail gel, I don't know if you can see, but the nail gel doesn't really cover my entire nail. So what I'm going to do is take this nail glue and put on the sides, the area where the nail gel tape doesn't cover. It's very tricky to not do it with your mouth. Okay, so just like that, and then I'm gonna take my first nail. When you're putting on the press on, you want to put it on a 45-degree angle near your cuticle, and then push a little and then push it down. Oh, there you go. Then you want to wipe off. I usually just use the alcohol pad for this. You want to wipe off the excess glue, and then you don't want to let it go. Press the fake nail because the fake nail is curved, so you want it to follow the flatness of your nail. It does cover my whole nail now compared to when it wasn't pressed down on my real nail. It's like there's an extra space, but now see, and that's how you achieve a natural look, to make it look like they're just extensions. So I'm kind of exerting effort here, and in this step I actually time it to 2 minutes. So you have to press it, like really press it on your nail for 2 minutes. So this nail is done. I'm gonna proceed with my index finger. So I'll repeat it once again. You peel off the top layer of the nail gel tape, and then trim the excess with nail cutter. Then apply nail glue on the areas where the tape doesn't cover. If you can find like a nail polish type glue, then that would be better. But I'm just using what's available in front of me right now. So I'm kind of shaking because it's hard to get some product from here. Okay, then next I'll be doing this. Look how cute. It has a butterfly. So you want to put it at a 45-degree angle just below the cuticle, and then push down, and then push or press on it for 2 minutes. So these are my first 2 nails. I'll be doing the rest and I'll show you when it's done. Okay, update. I'm done with my left hand, and I just dehydrated again or run the alcohol pads on the nails of my right hand to make sure they're still clean. And I'm gonna do them next. Yeah.
I've literally got my coat on, grabbed my lunchbox, got my bag,
Yeah.
walking out the door. Like literally about to walk out the door, walk out.
Yeah. Hi guys, so I am done with doing my press-on nails. So I did an extra step where I put glue on the inside of the nails because sometimes the press-on is a little too curved and our nail bed is not that curved, so whatever gap is between the press-ons and the middle part of the nails here, that should be sealed by the nail glue. So yeah, forgot to show you, but yeah, I don't know if you can see any trace of the nail glue here, but that's what I did as the final step. So I don't need any top coat for this because they're already shiny and looking nice. So yeah. And I guess that's it for my video today. I hope you learned a thing or two about my well-tested and proven hack. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!